welcome back to my channel. Another day, another vlog. I was super excited to film this video because, of course, from the title, you already know this is going to be Hyderabad vlog. But before that, let's wrap up few shoots that were aligned. I was just simply getting ready here. I had my breakfast, like you all saw, some basic chana chaat, little bit of rice, along with that, little bit of chips as well. If you know me, you know. And yeah, just casual getting ready for the shoot. Started off with snail mucin serum and then topped it off with moisturizer and then foundation. I don't really remember if I had applied sunscreen then, because this is pretty old video. Okay, I've shot this video in the month of Jan and this is August 1st. I'm uploading it today and doing this voiceover today, so I don't really remember what exactly I did that day. But you all have seen what exactly I did. And this is my shoot location. This was very close to my place where I live. So this shoot was very basic shoot. It was basically like like a UGC video where you don't really have to post on your channel. It was one of those videos. People here were expecting something else out of me, and I was used to something else. Okay, my niche, according to my niche, I am used to something else, and I have a different style of shooting a video. But they wanted something different out of me. It was chaotic, I would say, but then shoot is a shoot, so I just wrapped it up. To begin with, they gave me a different script prior, and on spot they changed the script and changed the concept completely. Anyways, this is the next day. We went to watch Ye Jawani Hai Diwani re-released version. To be honest, I never watch movies. I mean, like, barely one or two if they are biographical movies. But then my friends forced me to watch this because they said this is good movie to watch. So we did, and yeah, I must say it was a good movie. I don't really like theaters. I'm claustrophobic, so something dark and closed surrounding I'm not okay with. Okay, after the movie, we went to Popeyes. We just saw maybe eat some dessert, but then we ended up going to Popeyes and eat chicken. That was our dinner.
One eternity later.
And here comes the day. This was, I think, January 12th, if I'm not wrong. Christmas decoration was still on and it was time to remove, and that is what our team was doing. But I couldn't help them because I was pretty hungry. I was one of those who were traveling to Hyderabad. We boarded the train, I think, in Yelhanka railway station. I'm not really sure with that. And yeah, the journey begins. I think it was after ages that I boarded a train and I traveled in train to Hyderabad. And Hyderabad the first time. It is like my very first time. And luckily we got an upgrade and we went to 3AC, traveled entire night, and early in the morning we reached Hyderabad. Got off the train here in this railway station, and guess what is that very first thing that we did? Chai. Hyderabad chai, and everyone just got to praise Hyderabad chai so much. I took a sip. It was good. I am not a chai person, I am not a coffee person. I don't drink at all, but this chai was really commendable. And then we checked into this hotel. It was one of our Hyderabad church members hotel. That's why we happened to stay here. We reached here pretty early, and the next thing that we had to do was to get ready, go have breakfast. And surprisingly, it was so cold there. We were able to see fog all over, but people there usually complain that Hyderabad is too hot to survive during summers. Winters, yeah, it's okayish, and luckily we were there during winter. We went to this hotel. It's called Udupi Upahar, and food was too good. And there I ordered chow chow bath. I like something sweet and spicy at the same time. I like combination of sweet and spicy. After which we again went to drink chai, and this time it's from Pista House, the most famous store in Hyderabad. Again, I'm not used to drinking chai or coffee, but here, yes, it was good. But I think I liked the morning chai where we had Blue Stone, I believe it's called. I liked chai from there better than here. It's my personal opinion. Don't come at me in comments. And moreover, it's just coming from a non chai lover. And what next? We went to church. There, the team was supposed to practice for tomorrow's, meant the next day's worship session. Me and Cindy were not part of the worship, so just few others like Pastor and Kumar Pastor and Merlindi were all part of it. So they were just practicing. While they were practicing, we thought, okay, maybe we'll just go around Hyderabad and have a look. We went to Golconda Fort. By the way, you all have not seen Sindhi, Merlindi, Pastor, and Kumar Pastor, and everyone. Hope maybe I'll just show you all in later in this video. So back to Golconda Fort. Of course, we were there and we clicked some pictures and took some videos. And yeah, we didn't go all the way to the top. We were just there. We just wanted to see from far. So we just went not even halfway, like one fourth way. And then we were like, okay, chalo, we'll go somewhere else because we just had one day. And guess where did we go next? Of course, Charminar. Should I be honest with you all? Like staying in Bangalore, living in Bangalore, this exactly felt like I entered Commercial Street or Shivaji Nagar. When we visited Charminar, it was under construction or renovation or something like that, and it was not that great look wise, but we just wanted to go experience, and that's what we did. And if you see here, this is the top view and it exactly looks like Commercial Street, isn't it? I mean, I though just felt that way. Everything that you get in Commercial Street, you were able to find there. For lunch, everyone suggested to visit Shadab Hotel, that is really famous there, is what they said, and that is what we did. We went there, seats were full and we had to wait. After that, we ordered food, and this is what we ordered: coriander chicken and biryani is what we ordered, and it was too good, too good. And then here comes the fun part. We decided to take metro than traveling by cab. I know cab would have been like maybe cheaper or maybe faster, but we thought, okay, now that we are in Hyderabad, let's just go and compare Bangalore metro stations and Hyderabad metro station and services and signboards and whatnot. We just wanted to experience metro here in Hyderabad, and that is what we did. Same in Bangalore, we have ladies coach separately, even in Hyderabad, and metro was blue metro, and I think other one was pink if I'm not wrong. From Charminar, we took the closest metro to reach to our church. We had to change metro. We got confused a little, but then to be honest, signboards are really good here, and it is mentioned in English, Telugu, and Hindi. They were pretty clear, at least at stations where we had been to. And if you observe here, the train is smaller than the station. And I was like, what? Why? I mean, here in Bangalore, even if you add like two bogies, it wouldn't be sufficient. And all that I did was observe tiny details inside the metro as well. And it was all pretty much same. And I think we got down in MG Metro to change the metro, and this was the view. I thought it was lake initially, but then it was sewage, but the view from there, it was pretty good. This is how the MG metro there in Hyderabad looked like. Multiple stations like we have it here in Majestic. It was not that crowded inside the trains as well, but it's other way around here in Bangalore, so I felt that is like a good thing. Overall, it was good. I think traveling in Hyderabad metros is much better than traveling in Bangalore metros. At least these days, where people are just traveling in metros and it just gets so crowded during office hours. And this is Cindy, you guys. It's Dr. Cindy, by the way. Say hi to her in comment section. And then way back to our church, where all of them were still practicing. While they were practicing, we were just helping Hyderabad church team members to just stick some things that were supposed to be used the next day. And after long day, we went back to our hotel, got freshened up, and came back to Pista House to eat our dinner. And guess what? Again, biryani. We were so full, by the way. From the noon's food, we were just so full, but still, we had to try Pista House biryani. So, we did that. And the next day, here we go, the main day. We were all set for the day. We actually checked out from our hotel because we were supposed to leave directly from the location. By the way, you guys, did I tell you all why did we come to Hyderabad? We were here to be part of one day ministry. You'll see that in some time.
Under the boughs where the shadows play, the wind hums songs at the break of day, whispering pines, secrets untold.
Leaders in the singing and Pastor Kumar here.
Pastor Kumar garu uన్నారు.
I myself am feeling sick right now.
నిజం చెప్పండి ఇంతే మరి.
So we're gonna do some activity that will keep us awake.
సరే మరి మీరే కూర్చున్నట్టున్నారు. ఓకే లాస్ట్ ఆన్సర్ ఎవరికి తెలుసు? ఆన్సర్ ఎవరికి తెలుసు? సిస్టర్ హూ ఇస్ ద ఫస్ట్?
That blue one,
బ్లూ షర్ట్ బ్రదర్ ప్లీజ్. ఫస్ట్ పాయింట్
after you say old on you, you can tell the story.
సిస్టర్ సారపతిలోనే విధురాలు ఇంటికి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు పిండి కానీ నంబర్ ఇస్ నాట్ దట్.
And it was a wrap. We boarded the bus the same day and we got back to Bangalore. Nothing much I had to vlog. So yeah, that is it for the video. I hope you all liked it. If you all did it, then give this video a thumbs up, and I will be seeing you all in my next vlog or maybe next video, I'm not sure. So bye.